Afternoon to you. An awful lot going on with our weather at the moment. Not one but two named storms, the first of which, Storm Dudley, is pushing into the UK right now. And then for Friday, this, a Met Office amber weather warning for Storm Eunice, which is going to bring some damaging winds. So the big story really for the next few days is how stormy it is. There's strong winds tonight and again on Friday. It could be in excess of 70 miles an hour.
Good evening. Well, things are looking decidedly unsettled as we head into the latter part of the working week. Friday brings Storm Eunice, and what was once a yellow warning has now been escalated to an amber warning. That will come into force on Friday. Some damaging and disruptive winds, gusts inland in the region of 60 to 70 miles per hour.
And a storm is on the way, isn't it?
Eunice on Friday, quite a significant storm for the London area in actual fact. And a real contrast, Alice, to today. Actually, it was windy, yes, but look at this, 15 degrees. So temperatures way above where they should be for the time of year. Dudley, Storm Dudley, if you've heard about that, that's having an impact further north and west at the moment, but it's not really going to make much of an impression across the southeast at all. And then it's Thursday night into Friday morning that Eunice really is going to develop quite a significant storm system heading across the country, and it's going to have quite an impact. Now, snow to the north, but for us, it is going to be the strength of the winds, potentially damaging, dangerous strength of winds in actual fact. So we've got an amber weather warning that remains in force throughout the day on Friday. We could potentially see wind strengths gusting in excess of 70, maybe 80 miles an hour. And that certainly is going to have quite an impact across the capital. There will be some early morning rain. That will ease away to sunny spells, but it's the winds that's the real cause for concern. So keep watching the forecast. We'll keep you updated on that. Once we've got Eunice out of the way, it looks likely that we're going to see some more rain as we get into Sunday.
Oh dear. Thanks, Louise.
Hello there, very good evening to you. I strongly advise that you stay up to date with the latest forecasts over the next few days because we've got two big weather events happening. We've got Storm Dudley and Storm Eunice. Storm Dudley is happening right now with strong winds and gales, mostly across the northern half of the UK, although it is of course windy for everyone, winds gusting to 80 miles an hour. Then that clears off the scene through Thursday, and then the early hours of Friday morning we have Storm Eunice. Storm Eunice is potentially our strongest storm for 30 years. It's got storm or even violent storm force winds, gusts to around 90 miles an hour, perhaps even a touch stronger than this, with snow or blizzards in the north. It really is going to have very significant impacts, and you're definitely advised to stay at home if you possibly can. So Storm Dudley takes its time to clear off the scene through this evening and overnight. That amber warning expires at midnight. Tomorrow, a bit of a respite before Storm Eunice starts piling in from the west, making landfall from the southwestern areas, but really starting to make itself known early hours of Friday morning and really taking the entire day to clear away, with snow and blizzard-like conditions expected there towards the north. So looking ahead to this evening and overnight, still very windy indeed as Storm Dudley takes its time to clear away, and it's still very windy by the end of the night, even with that yellow warning still widely in force. And then through tomorrow you can see it isn't going to be quite so bad. There is going to be a fair amount of brightness around, a few passing showers, still windy, the winds easing down all the time before Storm Eunice starts to arrive back end of Thursday into Friday. Take care.